India's semiconductor push, new projects approved under India's Semiconductor Mission. So it was on August 12, 2025 when Government of India approved 4 new semiconductor manufacturing projects. Before proceeding, let me tell you guys that semiconductor chips are very important. They are important because they are found in almost every product which we are using nowadays. Your phones, this board, this camera through which you are seeing me, your automobiles, whether it be 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers, EVs, defense equipments, most importantly. Everywhere you find semiconductor chips. In fact, in your LEDs, semiconductor chips are there. So, the importance of this particular product is immense and is rising because we are in the digital age. And most importantly, we need to also look into this thing that, we need to be Atmanirbhar over here. We are currently dependent upon other countries like China. And this dependency creates a lot of barriers for us in our growth story. So, we are becoming Atmanirbhar, reducing dependence. That is why 4 new semiconductor manufacturing projects under India Semiconductor Mission is coming up, or they are coming up. These projects will be located in the states of Odisha, Punjab and Andhra Pradesh with a total investment of 4,600 crore rupees. Projects are expected to generate employment for 2034 skilled professionals, contribute to India's first commercial chip production, possibly within 2025. As the Prime Minister announced that first India-made semiconductor chip will be rolled out in 2025. India's Semiconductor Mission, launched in 2021, objective is to establish a robust semiconductor ecosystem in India. Incentive outlay 75,000 crore rupees. Focus areas: wafer fabrication, assembly, testing, marking and packaging, compound semiconductors and display manufacturing. With new approvals, 10 projects have now been sanctioned under ISM across 6 Indian states. 6 were already there, 4 new have been sanctioned with a total investment of 1.6 lakh crore rupees. New projects approved. One is 6M Private Limited, Info Valley, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Second is 3D Glass Solutions Inc, Info Valley, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, both in Bhubaneswar. CDIL Continental Device India Private Limited, Mohali, Punjab. ASIP Technologies, Andhra Pradesh. So these 4 new have been approved. The significance of these projects: definitely, if the product is so important, the significance will be high. First is strengthening domestic chip manufacturing. This domestic chip manufacturing will reduce the dependence on others. Technological advancements, it will lead to technological advancements which are critical for electric vehicles, 5G telecom equipments, high performance computing and defense and aerospace. Foreign collaborations with companies from UK, US and South Korea bring in technology transfer, global best practices and faster operationalization. These things happen. Key approved projects so far: 4 though they are approved right now, but before these 4, which were the key approved projects? Tata PSMC Fabrication Unit, it is in Dholera, Gujarat. Taiwan's PSMC, it is a joint venture with Micron ATMP facility, Micron Technologies of USA. This is coming up in Sanand, Gujarat. Tata TSAT OSAT unit, Jagi Road, Assam, to produce 48 million chips per day. This is a fabrication plant which is coming up, set up by Tata. Kane's Technology OSAT, Sanand, Gujarat, production of 6 million chips per day for industrial and telecom use. And HCL Foxconn joint venture in Uttar Pradesh to produce 36 million display driver chips per month by 2027. This is coming up. So, in total 9-10 units of semiconductor chip manufacturing plants are coming up in India, We have partnered with other countries like Singapore, which is currently manufacturing 10% of global semiconductor chips. In times to come, we can see more investment coming in from Singapore because this is such a product whose demand is rising and it is going to stay here for or in the near future. Now, why this matters? We need to reduce import dependency. India imports over 90% of its semiconductor needs. Semiconductor imports are strategic and expensive, especially post-COVID and amid global chip shortages. And this is where the Prime Minister was saying that we did a historic mistake by not promoting semiconductor chip manufacturing 50-60 years ago. We brushed aside that file. National security and strategic autonomy. Semiconductor powers everything from missile to mobiles. As I said, its usage is widespread now. Indigenous capacity is critical for cyber security, defense and sovereign control over supply chains. Boosting electronics and EV sector. In EVs, again, it is widely used, electric vehicles, and number of electric vehicles are increasing. And India aims to become a global electronics manufacturing hub. EVs, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, 5G and defense equipment all rely on advanced semiconductor devices. No doubt about this fact that it will create jobs and skill development in the country. We have had that capacity of softwares because these semiconductor chips work on softwares. We had that capacity of softwares with respect to semiconductor chips, but not of hardwares. Now we are bringing in hardwares also. So it will be collectively hardware plus software. And that can be a game changer for the country.